Welcome to this video. As I have already said that n8n is a self-hosted automation tool. So automation app or anything like that. So people will have some doubt, what is self-hosting, right? Self-hosting is nothing but maintaining an app or a website or any services in your control, not going with a third-party provider. Having a private network, private server and hosting it on that and maintaining on your own and not depending on any third party app developers or anything like that. So n8n has an advantage of self-hosting, and the thing is it can be self-hosted in n8n itself, but it is very costly. That annually monthly they will charge around 24 euros, and 1 euro comes around 100 rupees in Indian money. So you can just calculate like 24 euros, you can calculate as 24 euro to INR. It comes around 2500 rupees per month. So it is not affordable for most of the Indians. And even though it is affordable for certain people, you can restrict only around 2500 workflow executions, and only you can share only single projects, and that this is not easy and this is not convenient for us. So what can we do? There are n number of VPS providers in the market, but I will prefer to go with Hostinger. The Hostinger has a VPS, and the charges for that VPS is very low. That is 400 rupees per month. You can buy a monthly plan or else you can buy a yearly plan. And the most important thing is you can go for unlimited workflows. This is only 2500 workflows, and you can go for unlimited workflows. You can choose any plan in that, and if you go for this Hostinger plans, it will be cheap and it is affordable and you can execute unlimited workflows. So go for Hostinger thing. And how we have to go is just log in and go for KVM VPS, right? And just go over there. It opens, and after it's getting opened, it will ask for the server. Next, in OS just type n8n. That's it. Select it and you give a password. That's it. It will get access to the email of this n8n server, will get connected over there. It's a very easy process. I have given the link in the description of Hostinger. You can go over there and you can purchase and you can use it and you can see how it works. And before that, you can go for a free credits they will give, but I will recommend to go with Hostinger. It is cheap and affordable. And if you want to work, you don't want to become an employee, you can become a CEO of a SaaS thing by going with n8n. So just go for it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.